Hello viewers, welcome to Ideal English tutorial, and this is another session of spoken English, and with me now you can see a little girl. What is your name?
My name is Samprikta Banerjee.
Okay, she is Samprikta and she is trying to learn spoken English and she is doing practice with me. Today I will ask her some questions and I hope that she will answer me perfectly. Okay, Samprikta, now tell me, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Swami Subhra Banerjee.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Joyashree Banerjee.
What is your father?
My father is a teacher.
What is your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 6.
Where do you live?
I live in at Chokrishnobati in Paschim Medinapur.
No, I think there is a mistake. Say again. Where do you live?
I live at Chokrishnobati in Paschim Medinapur.
Yes. What is your hobby?
My hobby is dancing.
And what do you want to be in future?
I want to be in future a detective.
No.
I want to be a detective.
Say again.
in future.
Wait. Say again. Make the sentence properly. Okay. Continue. What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a detective in future.
Very nice. You want to be a detective in future. That's great. My best wishes to you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So thus she is practicing with me, and I will suggest to all of you, all the students and the learners who are trying to learn spoken English, please give time. Give your time to speak English. Try to listen to your teacher. What your teacher is saying, try to listen to that. Try to understand the sound, try to understand the language, and you please try to speak yourself. And if you practice regularly, one day you will be successful. Okay, so I will stop here and see you in the next class. Bye bye.
Bye.